an engine, which helps to promote the development of agriculture. The source of vitality for improving farmers' life quality. Devote ourselves to China agriculture for 70 years. Shandong Hongyu Agricultural Machinery Incorporated is located at Bohai Rim Economic Circle and Jiaodong Economic Circle, Laizhou Shandong Province, with obvious geographical advantages. In 2017, Shandong Hongyu Agricultural Machinery Incorporated was successfully landed on A-share capital market in the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, which marks the birth of China's first listed company of agricultural machinery components. Hongyu now has become a leading enterprise in China, which integrates researching and developing, manufacturing, sales, and service, specialized in production of agricultural machinery. Innovation and win-win cooperation. During the developing process, Shandong Hongyu has always been adhering to taking the concept of taking technology as the forerunner, taking innovation as the main line, relying on the powerful R&D team. Through technological innovation, promoting industrial upgrading, which forges the core competitiveness of Shandong Hongyu. Hongyu has nearly 40 intellectual property rights and 5 industrial technical standards adopted by the same industry in China are drafted by Hongyu, taking sincerity, innovation, endeavor as its core value. Hongyu has established long-term strategic cooperation relationship with well-known enterprises at home and abroad, such as Lovol Heavy Industry, Yituo Group, John Deere, forming a strong market customer group. Excellent equipment and refined products. Shandong Hongyu constantly introduces manufacturing equipment, equipped with advanced sandcasting production line, die casting production line, realizing auto production from batching feeding to shape casting, high precision CNC machining automatic line, and high precision machining center, form the core processing ability with high precision and high efficiency. Laser cutting and welding robot, automatic feeding robot, computer-controlled heat treatment multi-purpose furnace. Intelligent production process is closely linked, which injects strong vitality into the precision manufacturing of Hongyu products. With advanced testing equipment, standard testing means and unified testing standards. Each manufacturing link is strictly regulated, from raw material inspection to processing and assembly. Each product is subject to strict quality process control. Each product is subject to 100% factory inspection. All data can be recorded and traced to ensure that the products meet the quality requirements of customers. Hongyu products includes tractor hydraulic rock shaft, hydraulic control valve, hydraulic cylinder, heavy truck parts, casting products, etc. Total 6 series, more than 500 varieties. With its own strong manufacturing strength, Hongyu has guaranteed an annual production capacity of 300,000 sets of various types of lifting devices and 500,000 sets of various hydraulic valves. Inheriting excellence and to be more brilliant. Shandong Hongyu has won the titles of Chinese leading company of agricultural machinery parts, high-end new technology company in Shandong Province, and passed ISO 9001, IATF 16949 Quality Management Certification, ISO 14001 Environment Management Certification, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management Certification. Hongyu products with more advanced functions, more reliable quality to draw a grand blueprint for development. If there is cultivation, there will be promotion. If there is promotion, there will be Shandong Hongyu. Looking forward to the future with a big goal, leading the future. Looking at the sea and sky, feeling that we still have a long way to go. Listening to the rough waves, but also arouse the passion of making waves. With open arms, Shandong Hongyu welcomes friends all around the world. With enthusiasm, actual strength, sincerity to reach a new wealth level. To seek new developing pattern together. Welcome to Shandong Hongyu.